How to change PowerPoint orientation from landscape to portrait. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to change your PowerPoint orientation from landscape to portrait. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, open up your PowerPoint presentation and head over to the design on the top of your screen. And when you head over there, you can just go ahead and locate up this called slide size. Once you drop it down, you'll be finding these options. Go ahead and select custom one. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and select a portrait from right here. And then you can also type in the width and the height and customize it accordingly if you want. Once that is done, click on OK and you'll be finding two options provided by Microsoft. Either ensure feed or either maximize. For now, I'm going on the second options, and when you go ahead and apply it, you'll be finding these changes, and you can see the landscape has been changed into portrait. So you can also follow the same method in order to change it into portrait as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.